Hi everyone, I'm Lakshmi Nair. Today, I'm standing before you to discuss something about crop production and its management. We all know that what is a crop? One kind of many plants that we cultivated in one vast area is called a crop. So, it is like some fruits, and there was one example paddy, wheat, maize, barley. That is the examples of crops. So, the crops was divided into two types. There was kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops was the crops that grown in rainy season is called kharif crops. And examples for kharif crops are paddy, groundnut, soya bean, etc. And the next one is rabi crops. Rabi crops is the crops that grown in winter season. Examples are wheat, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. And now we are going to discuss about 7 types of agricultural practices. They are preparation of soil, sowing, adding fertilizers and manure, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. So now let's learn all these 7 agricultural practices deeper. Preparation of soil. Preparation of soil means turning the soil or loosening the soil. This helps the plant to grow deeper and deeper into the soil, and its roots go deeper and deeper. Thus the plant grow very faster. This also helps to form earthworms that helps the plants to grow faster. And it also, this loosened soil helps to the decay of dead and decaying body. And this is used by some agricultural implements that are plough and hoe. And hoe and plough is used for this preparation of soil. Then we are going to discuss about the second, sowing. Sowing is to sow the seeds. So how can we know what is good seeds and what is bad seeds? There was one way to identify what is a good seed and what is a bad seed. We have to put all the seeds into a bucket of water. Into the water, we have to put all the seeds. And then sometimes, after a few times, these some seeds go deep to the water and some seeds will float to the water. And the float seeds are decayed, or that seeds was not good, not healthy, not unhygienic. But the seeds that go deeper into the water is hygienic. It is healthy seeds that will grow very faster in the soil. So that is the way we can identify what is good seeds and what is bad seeds. And for sowing, we use seed drill. Seed drill is a new method for sowing the seeds. And then the next one, fertilizers, adding fertilizers and manure. Fertilizers is by chemicals. It is chemical, made from chemicals. But the manure is organic. It was the dung of cow dung. It is manure. And some chemicals are there, urea, phosphate. That chemicals are fertilizers. Sometimes the fertilizers will damage the plant or the crop. But manure doesn't damage a crop or a plant. But manure not having much nutrients than fertilizers. Fertilizers were having much nutrients like urea, phosphate, many nutrients that was good to the plants. But manure doesn't have some uh, nutrients was having by manure, but it is not more than fertilizer. And the next one is irrigation. The watering the plants by the intervals is called irrigation. Okay, watering the plants is called irrigation. There were many ways to irrigation. There was traditional way for irrigation that are mott, chain pump, dekli and rehat. These are the traditional methods to irrigation. And there was also modern methods for irrigation. That was sprinkler system and drip irrigation. What is sprinkler system? Sprinkler system is a pump, a pipe-like thing gone for the around every the plants. There was a pipe-like thing go these surrounding of the plants, and then there was a rotating nozzle having all these pipes, and when the water pumps, these nozzles will rotate and the water will go everywhere of the plants. And there was also one type of modern method for irrigation, that is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is very useful. It uses like a pipe or a some pipe like something was going all to the roots of the plant, and when we pump the water, this water will go drip by drip, drop by drop. That is called drip irrigation. By these two new methods, we can conserve the water very much. And then the next one, protecting from weeds. We know that what is the weeds? The undesirable plants that grow over the crop is called weeds. So then we can remove the weeds. Removing the weeds is called weeding. And there was a chemical used for this removing of weeding, that is weedicides. And the next one, harvesting. Harvesting is the important of a crop's production or the crops. So the harvesting is the plants that matured plants was cutting. That is called harvesting. And the harvesting is the plants was grown 3 or 4 months. We can harvest the plants, the crops. It is crop now. And this the grains were separated from the chaff is called threshing. And then we use many methods for the harvesting. That was harvester. Harvester is very useful for harvesting, as well as combine, as well as thresher. And the people was having small areas, they use winnowing to separate the grains from the chaff. For harvest, we use harvester. And the last one, it is important, storage. This storage we use by for a jute bags, something like that. So it is we use this storage because these crops was one protection. Otherwise, the insects, other birds or microorganisms and other things was affected or eat it. So we have to protect that from the crops, the things crop has to protect. So thus we use storage, and this we storage in jute bags or like that. And the new method is silos and granaries. Silos and granaries is used for storage of the plants, and it helps from the plants, the crops, to the harvested crops from rats, insects or any others. So the class is over. Thank you for everyone, and I think you all learned this. Thank you.